Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm very excited for this week's video because not only is it sponsored by Fabletics, my literal favorite people to work with ever, but I am finally getting back into my workout routine. I'm very proud of myself. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you know that I pretty much like to work out mostly in the fall and winter months because I love to go skiing and I want to be in shape to prevent injury. In addition to my need to work out for skiing this year, I am currently in my clinical rotation as a nursing assistant student. I have been doing a lot of lifting and I'm just really not trying to take my one-person transfers and turn them into two-person transfers, and I'm like, dang, I need to work out. So here we are, that time of year again, because in summer I just kind of like do active fun stuff. I'm actually gonna work out today and I'm taking you guys with me. Welcome to our healthy day. As you can see, I've made my usual salad. I've been making this a lot, really easy to whip up. I'll just link the recipe down below so you guys can go check it out. It's a great little snack. I'm starving, so I'm gonna eat this really quickly and then we're gonna do a haul of the Fabletics stuff that I got for November because the stuff is insane. And right now, if you guys sign up to become a VIP member, you get 70% off literally everything that you purchase. It's a really good deal and the stuff is really cute. We'll do a little haul, then I'm gonna go meet Katie. We're gonna work out. That's the plan. See you in a sec for the try on. All right, I'm done eating. It is time for the try on. I'm gonna first show you the outfit that I'm wearing. This is a really good outfit. I mean, they're all really good, but this one's really cute. This little bralette tank is one of my favorites. I've had this top in a pink color and I love it and wear it all the time. It's so comfortable. It's called the Kinsley Seamless Bra if you guys are looking for it on the website. It's in this beautiful tan color, which I think is really great for the fall and winter months. And as you can see, it like scoops in the back. And then these pants, oh baby. I'm gonna show you guys them like this because it's easier to see. These pants are literal puffer pants. They're called the Aspen Puffer Joggers. So stinking cute and actually warm. I'm gonna go try on some more outfits. BRB. Here is our next outfit. We've got this really cute nude set. This is from the Motion 365 fabric, which is really stretchy. You know, Fabletics has the best pockets. This is actually a double pocket. So you could do like your phone in the front one and then you could do like your key or something like that. I just have to demonstrate this every single time because I love being able to walk hands-free because I feel like I'm just gonna drop it everywhere. So this fits in here so well. This top crisscrosses in the back, and then I thought this would be really cute with this cranberry pullover. This just really screams Thanksgiving to me. This thing is so soft. This one has a little collared neck, which I think is so stinking cute. Oh my god, this makes me feel like it's Christmas time. Yeah, I love this outfit. Let me go try on the next one. Okay, this is my favorite outfit. I'm obsessed with this pullover quarter zip. It's got zippered pockets on the side, which is great, and it's all like fleece lined so your hands can actually stay warm in here, and you can literally like store stuff in your little kangaroo pouch. It even has a hood because you know in Oregon it do be raining 24/7. I paired it with these black leggings that are perforated. Let me show you guys a little close-up version. They're still really warm. I feel like my dad would ask me about this, like, why do you have holes in your leggings? But trust me, they're still very warm and they just add like a little bit of dimension to the leggings. I'm gonna change it to my final outfit and then we're gonna leave to go work out because daylight savings just happened and Katie's stressed that we're not gonna have enough daylight. It's just gonna be a golden hour workout. Let me go change one more outfit and then we go. My last outfit that I'm wearing right now is from the Kate's Edit collection, and Kate Hudson, who's the founder of Fabletics, always just nails these outfits. I'm wearing this really cute like magenta-y cranberry two-piece set with the sports bra and the matching leggings. These are both seamless, which I absolutely love. The seamless fabric is probably my favorite that Fabletics carries. Sometimes I'll size up in their leggings if they're seamless just because they'll come to you and you'll be like, why are these so tiny? But then you try them on and you're like, oh, they're so comfortable and so stretchy. There's this really cute detail that runs all the way down the leg and on the top. Like I said before, this November Fabletics is offering 70% off everything in your cart if you are a first-time VIP member. So make sure to click the link in my description box to go shop, check it out, sign up. It's free to join and there's no obligation to shop every single month. You can choose to shop or skip. Their stuff is such amazing quality and it's a really great value. I think it is time to work out. I'm gonna put on this cute long sleeves from the November collection just in case I get a little bit chilly. This top matches those black leggings that I just put on earlier, and this is really, really soft as well. It's got like a bunch of little perforated details, and it also has thumb holes, which I love because it keeps me a lot warmer. Let's go work out. I can't believe I'm saying that. It's been literally ages. I'm gonna bring my speaker just in case we really need some music to pump up our jam.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started.
So many cars just showed up.
Yes, there were so many cars and the police just showed up.
Who's been here?
Oh, really?
Okay,
Yeah, also I have another place we can go that's even better. It is very golden hour-ish, but this daylight savings do be throwing me off. We're gonna go to our second location because it's too crowded here. I told Katie the hardest part is literally getting started.
I haven't worked out in so long.
Yeah, neither have I, so welcome to the club. Hoping we don't get in trouble because we're
Low-key
technically, like, the campus is closed. It's not trespassing, the campus is closed, but this is like an outdoor field.
They won't find us.
Oh, that's cute. It says be kind.
I didn't even know this existed.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
Can we just like start with like just a nice
like
jog?
a jog, like a lap around. Yeah, I agree.
Or like, you know, maybe we should do more than one. But
No, we should start up with a warm-up lap. Then maybe we can do like some stretching, and then let's do like an ab thing, and then we'll do squats, and then like stuff like that. Are you wearing your Fabletics sports bra?
I am.
It's cute.
To your place, I'm shaking. I am picturing the worst in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you.
Guys, I'm dying. I haven't run since we were at school.
I'm gonna do like a minute of abs, and then like another lap.
Technically, we should do abs at the end.
Okay,
We just need to do arms.
We can do some, like 10 push-ups. Katie thinks that she can't do a push-up, but she's wrong. Should I bring our music? Hang on, guys. Let me get the music. Do you want me to bring your shirt so you can plank on it? Got the shirts. Here we go.
It's like you almost know what I am thinking. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on.
Guys.
The universe hates when we work out together.
Excellent angle.
Oh, yeah, good angle.
Hey, how y'all doing? We're like, you know, out there running around, doing our thing.
We're doing walking 100, sprinting 100.
We're running around, and the security guard, police officer, security
I
guard,
think she was a security
Campus
guard for the
security?
campus, yeah.
comes down, and they're like, whose white car is that up there? Is that your guys's? And Kara's like, yeah, that's mine. She goes, I have to close the gates, so you guys gotta go.
She was actually really
She
nice.
was
about
so
it.
nice, and so nice to come and find us, because the gates were like low-key like a mile from where we were. So
And they're like steel gates that close.
yeah, like
you
we would have
cannot get
been
through.
screwed if
Yeah.
we got locked in. But now we're leaving because we're embarrassed. And we
So
don't
we're
know
gonna
what
go to
do.
our second workout location.
This is spectacular.
The next nearest track. I know, it's
This
beautiful
view?
right now.
Wow.
Oh my god, one day I'm gonna take you to this
Hello.
other place I know, but it's a secret.
We're gonna go try to finish our workout elsewhere, but this is good. It gives me a little time to breathe.
Yeah. One more full lap jog.
Okay, and I want to do a few more sprints.
Yeah, I agree.
And
One
then
lap
abs.
is sprint.
Sprints, abs,
Jog.
jog.
I can't believe I'm
And I might do arms when I get home.
Yeah. We did it. Done. We didn't film that second half, but
We did a lot though, just
We did
then.
we did
like a full workout right there.
we did so much that the personal trainers said that we were working hard. That's actually a compliment, honestly.
You mean the old men coaches?
I'm pretty sure they're personal trainers.
Where did you guys go to school?
For like University
like,
of Oregon.
Did you guys compete there?
And I was like, club ski, club equestrian, you know, it'd be pretty competitive fields.
Competitors.
We're true. I mean, honestly, a lot of people just quit their sports after high school, so I'm gonna give us the benefit.
D1.
She was a
Kidding,
D1
that's a
athlete.
joke. That's a joke.
But she actually was. Anyway, the rest of the night I'm gonna do homework. What are you gonna do? Homework?
So much homework.
So we wanted to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope maybe it inspired you to get started. The hardest part is getting started.
Now we're on that grind, baby.
We set a date every Monday, and are we gonna do Monday, Thursday, or what do you want
We
to
need
do?
to do like Monday, Wednesday, Friday or something like that.
Whoa.
We need to do more than 2 days a week.
Okay, well, let's start small because
Oh my
this is just a crazy week for me. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you to Fabletics for sponsoring this video. We love you guys, seriously. I think my next video is going to be my apartment tour, so get excited. I'm gonna work on that the rest of the week, and hopefully That'll be up very soon. If you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. What is today's question of the day? Give us like a little go-to workout because we didn't really know what we were doing today. We just kind of...
That's fake. We did great today.
No, we did great. I'm just saying we didn't have a plan going into it.
We just did it, yeah.
Yeah, we just did it. We didn't have a regimen. So if you have like a little combo workout circuit thing that you like, comment that down below and we will try it out. Let you know what we think.
Love that.
Bye guys. Then they can design our workouts for us. It's great.
But then we'll die.
Yeah, even better.
Okay, good.
Okay, love you guys. Bye.
Love you, bye.
I only worry that I'm crazy, 'cause if it's all true, well, it's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate